Here we go. This is how to change an alternator on an E46 2002 330xi BMW with no rambling in the beginning. Very simple. First, pull the electric fan out. If yours has a fan clutch, you're going to need to remove that from the water pump pulley. Next, you're going to want to remove this bolt here. This is on, well, first you're going to undo the tensioner, which is, you would put the 8mm Allen key socket in the center of the pulley that would be right there. And then you would pull the belt off. I'm replacing the two idlers and the tensioner, so that's why it's not there right now. But then you're going to remove this bolt here with this idler. That will pull out. There's a little tit on the back of it. And I'll show you what that looks like. Right here. Here's the old one. Okay, that tit rests in the alternator itself. After you pull that, this is going to be the hardest one to get to. So you just look down in here. You'll see, this is very difficult, right there, that bolt right there, that's the bottom bolt. So it's only two bolts that hold the alternator in. And then finally, you'll have to, if you look at that nut right there, that's a plastic coated nut. That's where the battery lug cable goes, and then you'll just disconnect that little push-in connector right there. And then you'll pull the alternator out and replace it. Simple as that. Thanks for watching.